Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a Game Pass and please donate on Roblox mobile app. So from the home menu, select more in the bottom right corner and scroll down and tap on create now. This is going to bring you to the creator hub, and just beneath where your experience is, you want to tap just beneath the image. So once you're in here, select the three lines in the top left corner and we're going to scroll down to where it says monetization, and we're going to select passes, then select create a pass, and it will bring you to this page. And here you can change the image of your pass or you can leave it on default, and you have to give it a name. So I'm just going to name it, and you can give it a description as well. Then scroll down and select create pass. Now once you're here, scroll down again and look for the pass you just created, and once you find it, you want to tap on the name. So it's going to bring us to the same page, and we're going to have to turn it on for sale. So once you get to this page, select the three lines in the top left corner again, and we're going to select sales. Now here, you want to toggle on item for sale, and then you can set the price in Roblox. And after you have done that, you can turn on enable original pricing if you want to learn more about it. Select the I for more info. I'm just going to select save change at the bottom and then select proceed. So after you have completed this step, you can now go back and exit out of this section. And once you are back on the Roblox app, you can go back to please donate. So once you are back in game, you want to run up to an empty booth and then simply tap on the stand, claim, and after a few seconds, you will now have your stand ready and you should be able to see your Game Pass. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.